The Uscom 1A Advanced Haemodynamic Monitor importantly generates beat-to-beat stroke volume information. And this information can be used to answer the big questions in advanced haemodynamics. First question is cardiovascular function normal? And if it's abnormal, is it cardiogenic or vasogenic? And then, of course, how do we treat it? Should we treat it with fluid, inotropes, or vasoactives? And of course, how much? And if we can accurately measure and monitor systemic vascular resistance and stroke volume, then we can solve the hemodynamic equation and the choice of therapy becomes clear. Further, monitoring during therapy and recovery provides the big selection to the big question, and that is precise clinical information that guides therapy, provides a personal hemodynamic solution for all patients. The Uscom 1A uses continuous wave Doppler ultrasound to insonate the aortic valve and the pulmonary valve so that we get beat-to-beat stroke volume from both the left and the right sides. Once we get the time velocity flow profile from the Doppler reflection, what we can do is trace that and get 26 different parameters. Each indicate something important about the cardiovascular function. We can archive that information, store it and display it in a trend analysis. Coupling gel. Put the device rolling. Access the aortic valve through the suprasternal notch. So once we've acquired the Doppler flow trace, and it's a time velocity graph plot here, we've got it auto traced with flow tracer. Each of those stroke volumes produce a number of values. There are 26 values here. These are all incredibly important measures of cardiovascular function that we can trend. And what we can see here are previous DO2 trend values, and we can show a fairly stable representation of those numbers. We can choose whatever numbers we want to put here in this display. If we want to look at the trend data, what we can do is look at each of the numbers over time, and we can see which direction heart rate, systemic vascular resistance, cardiac index, and stroke volume is moving. So that provides us with the insights to understand both the changes in pathology and the changes in therapy. So this is the simple touchscreen device, and it's very easy to represent and to catch trends. The capacity to access real-time beat-to-beat stroke volume provides us with a powerful tool to make the appropriate diagnosis, to optimise therapy, and to monitor recovery and evaluate outcomes.